Hello my guys, Big Vanshika. So today I'm going to do a Korean makeup tutorial because I recently had a haircut. So I was thinking to do a Korean makeup tutorial. So let's get video started. So guys, first I'm going to use moisturizer on my skin. It is too much, you know. So guys, now I'm going to apply the foundation on my skin. And I'm going to wet my blender a little because if we're gonna blend better when it is wet. So guys, now I'm going to use the concealer under my eyes like this. I'm not going to snatch my eye this time because it's Korean and Korean makeup are, you know, cute type, so that's why I'm not going to snatch my eyes. And for the brows, I'm going to use concealer like this as well. Like this. It is too much here. Yeah. And now I'm going to blend this all out. So guys, I'm going to use concealer here as well, like this. And here. So guys, for the next I want to use this shade for my eyes. And I'm going to do it. It's a little pinkish nude shade, that's why I choose this, because the lightest shade and the beautifulest shade is the best for the Korean eyes. And I'm going to use it under my eyes also like this. So I'm going to do the same with this eye also. So guys, for my second eye palette, I want to use this dark brown shade, brown shade for my eyes. I'm going to make a line like this here under. As you can see, yeah, because Koreans do have this kind of line and we don't have it, so we can just fake it by makeup. So I'm just faking it because I don't have it. It's for the bigger eyes illusion. Yeah, it's good. So guys, now I'm going to highlight myself with this shade. I'm not going to use highlighter because it will gonna work just like a highlighter. With this, as you can see this line. So guys, as you can see it, I'm going to do the same with this eye also. So guys, the eyes thing is done. Now I'm going to do the blush. Oh, it's too much, I think. So guys, now I'm going to do the eyeliner. And for this, I will just make a wing right here. Seriously, like this, and I'm going to do the same here as well. So guys, I'm done with this eyeliner thing. So guys, now I'm going to highlight my nose. Like this, and for the contour, I'm just going to apply some contour powder and just highlight it a little, because we don't need a snatched or something like that. We just need a simple, you know? So guys, I'm done with this all look, but I didn't did my brows, so I'm just going to brush them. So guys, now I'm going to use the mascara. I'm going to do the same here. So guys, now I'm going to do the hardest part, and that's, lips. So I'm just going to use powder for my lips as well. So guys, I have used the powder here, and I'm going to use it here as well, and I'm going to show you the final result of it. So guys, I've done this part of my lips. Now I'm going to use concealer, and I'm going to blend it with the lipstick. It's done, but the final thing is we have to do that powder thing again for the finishing look, because we have to make it look clean. Like this. It's done, and now I'm going to make my hair also Korean and all that. So guys, I didn't get anything, so I just used this kind of tic tac clips for my hairs, and this is looking like so much pretty. And this is the final look. Well, kamsahamnida for watching my video, because I don't know many of the words from Korea, but thank you for watching my video. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to press bell icon for the new and latest videos. Bye guys. Kanda.